Guys, we're going to talk about a future train from Alstom, which was discussed in the last couple of videos, and it is the next level of TGV, and that is Avelia Horizon. We can't see it, but we'll discuss the things you didn't know about the Avelia Horizon. So, please stay until the video ends. The Avelia Horizon is Alstom's next-generation, double-deck, very high-speed train, also known as TGVM for its main French operator, SNCF. Designed for high capacity over 740 passengers, increased efficiency that means 20% less energy, reduced maintenance which means 30% lower costs, and enhanced passenger experience, featuring modularity, connectivity, and speeds over 300 km per hour. Poised to be the new standard for European high-speed rail. Number 1. Exceptional efficiency and capacity. The Avelia Horizon is the world's only double-deck very high-speed train currently in production, designed to reach speeds of up to 320 km per hour. Its design offers a 20% increase in passenger capacity compared to previous models, with configurations allowing up to 740 passengers, resulting in a 25% decrease in the total cost of ownership per seat. Number 2. Reduced maintenance costs. The train features an innovative, articulated architecture with fewer bogies, which accounts for a significant portion of maintenance costs, leading to a 30% reduction in overall maintenance expenses. Predictive maintenance systems are integrated to anticipate needs remotely. Number 3. Places of operation. The Avelia Horizon trains are not yet in service, but planned operations will cover multiple countries and routes. In France, SNCF Voyageurs will run them on major corridors like Paris to Lyon and Marseille and Paris to Milan starting in 2026. Proxima, another French operator, plans to launch services from Paris to Atlantic cities, such as Bordeaux and Nantes, around 2028. Internationally, Eurostar will introduce them, as Eurostar Celestia, from 2031, which we discussed in the last video, linking London, Paris, Brussels, Amsterdam, and Frankfurt. Finally, the Moroccan rail operator ONCF has ordered trains for its high-speed service between Tangier and Marrakesh. Number 4. Morocco operations. I can't find videos, but let's do with the pictures instead of that. The videos that I found about this train were very rare, and the Avelia Horizon is there, but it is not being as commercially. The trains will come commercially in the next year, which means in 2026 on June 1st. Back to the topic. The Avelia Horizon high-speed trains will operate exclusively in Morocco within North Africa. They are part of a major expansion of the country's rail network, managed by the Moroccan National Railway Office, ONCF. The trains are intended to run on an extended high-speed line connecting major cities such as Tangier, Rabat, Casablanca, and Marrakesh. A contract for 18 double-decker trains was signed in March 2025, with operations scheduled to begin around 2030. Currently, there are no plans for Avelia Horizon operations in any other North African nations. Guys, these are the 4 things you didn't know about the Avelia Horizon train. So, if you know more about this train, comment in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. So, let's meet in another video. See you soon.